In this video, we'll show you the three main components, how they work, and what makes them so unique. First, a live map shows your loved one's real-time location. Second, a daily timeline shows you all of your loved one's places and transits. And third, there are quick access buttons to the advanced tracking tools and voice features. One of the things that sets AngelSense apart is the all-day continuous monitoring. There is no sleep mode, so AngelSense always knows where your loved one is, whether the app is open or not, allowing it to proactively alert you to potential problems. AngelSense intelligent eye alerts go straight to your phone or inbox. This lets you catch an elopement as soon as possible without having to watch your app all day. Our proactive alerts also detect potentially dangerous situations, like unknown or unexpected places. This is something that only AngelSense offers. To see where your loved one is, you can select different views of the live tracking map, including traffic and street views. Our Safe Ride monitoring system sends you transit alerts whenever your loved one is on the move. You can then open the app, see the exact route in real time, and check their updated ETA to avoid unnecessary waiting. With AngelSense, every transit is tracked, allowing you to see the exact route taken, time traveled, and maximum speed. This also indicates if they went somewhere on foot. AngelSense non-stop monitoring allows us to provide an accurate, reliable, and complete picture of your loved one's entire day. You can also go back and review any day in the past. Only AngelSense counts steps for each location, giving you insight into your loved one's well-being. You can also see the daily total to monitor their overall activity level and ensure they keep up a healthy routine. For further insight into your loved one's day, you can use the location playback feature. AngelSense continuous monitoring allows you to replay activity for any safe place. For example, when your child is at school, you can see their movement between the classrooms, the cafeteria, and the playground with exact times. The assistive speakerphone is one of the most valuable and unique features that AngelSense provides. You can easily access it from the voice menu. When you call the device, it automatically answers, allowing you to immediately take action during an emergency. The two-way voice can be used to check in and be there for your loved one throughout the day. And during emergencies, you can intervene by telling them to stop, guide them to a safe location, request help from others nearby, and comfort them until help arrives. The one-way voice allows you to simply check in and hear what's going on without disturbing them. There is also an SOS button on the device that they can press to request a call from you. Or it can be configured in your app to make a direct call to a predefined number. AngelSense has a rich set of powerful life-saving tracking tools that are accessed via the Tools menu. For instance, Show My Location lets you see exactly where you are in relation to your loved one so you can quickly get directions to them. You can also remotely activate an alarm on the device that can easily be heard to find them when hiding or lost in a crowd. A crucial tool for search and rescue efforts is Share Live Location. This sends a temporary link of the live map to law enforcement or anyone else who can help find your missing loved one. The main menu at the top left is where you can manage your account, add users, personalize your settings for all the notifications and features, and our online help center. Under My Account, you can manage your payment and billing. The AngelSense store is where you can order extra voice minutes. Every individual with special needs is unique, and we've taken that into consideration with a rich set of personalization options. For example, when the AngelSense device's SOS button is pushed, a notification is sent to request a call from the guardian. In order to cope with obsessive behavior and avoid repeated calls, you can control how many times the button needs to be clicked before a call is requested, and the minimum time between call requests. The Help Center is where you can access video tutorials and our dynamic online user guide with FAQs that answer almost any question you might have. We have a wonderful user group with thousands of supportive Angel Sense families and a direct link to contact our expert customer care team. This was a brief overview of just some of the unique features Angel Sense offers. If you're looking for maximum safety for real-life emergencies, nothing else compares with the Angel Sense GPS safety solution.